All right. Sorry for the loud heater turned on, but the next step here, I'm going to try to disassemble the doors, get the glass out, get the door cards off, the mirrors off, and get those doors off the truck here and out of the way. The first step though is to try to clean up all this plastic and some of the glass and make it so I can kind of get to everything a little bit easier and that I can open the doors. All four of the doors, unfortunately, are damaged and not really usable. This one's the neatest, but it's still up on the top. You can see there's some damage there. Time for another quick update. I got both the back seats out and the front seats out. Now again I have another huge mess. I also took all the seat belts out too. My intention is to strip the entire interior, so I guess we'll see how far along we get with that today. But yeah, time to clean up again. Another quick progress update. I got the headliner out, got all of the wiring kind of detached from the sides, got the rear speakers out. Started looking into, taking off the dash. I got the airbag off that side, the curtain airbag taken off that side. This one is kind of pinched in there, so I decided I want to look at taking the dash out. But apparently, I looked it up and there's some bolts that are kind of difficult to get to with the driver door on. So next thing I'm going to do is I think probably go back to where I started this like section of the tear down and try to get the doors taken off and disassembled. Another progress update here. All the doors are off and disassembled. So I did end up having one good door that we could use. The other three fully stripped all the windows and everything, all the electrical out, and yeah, this is where we're at. Dash is next. Now the dash is officially out. Just about got the interior gutted. Probably only maybe another hour or so of cleanup work and stuff. But yeah, making progress. Everything's pretty well gutted. 100% of the wiring out of the whole rear shell. There's a few more components left to pull out, but they require something else to be taken off or moved, either in the engine bay or underneath the truck. And I figured just get to those when I get to them. But yeah, all the airbags, all wiring has been pulled out. And for reference, kind of what that starts looking like is this nice big pile here. Everything, the dashboard, tailgate, bumper, rear bumpers, flares, then all the doors, seats, carpet. A lot of these parts will be used in the 450 build. Some of them I'll be keeping for another project, but I will have a lot of miscellaneous little things up for sale or for free, little trim pieces and things like that. And then if anybody happens to need any bits out of the cab that still look like they're in good shape, let me know. I can cut them out for you. Or a good frame. I'll be getting rid of the frame. Hopefully you can go to someone that can use it. This wraps up kind of episode, I believe this is 3 at this point, of just pulling out the interior. Next I'm gonna go at kind of the front end of the truck, try to get the hood, flares, lights, grill, bumper, all the front end of this truck torn apart. Thanks.